And welcome to our Company Interiors brand new YouTube channel. We are offering everything to do with the working environment, office interiors, the home office, tips and secrets and trends to help you improve your ways of working. Today our video is about moss walls or living walls. What happened was we are working recently on a project. We're finding it very difficult to find contractors who can install such a thing. We will work in breakout areas and kitchens where some of these have been specified by our design team. This is my home office and my studio, so I went straight to work on YouTube and on the web looking for ideas and techniques and costs for the products that I would need. Struggled to find it, so I thought I'd try and build one myself. So I want to share with you the techniques, the materials and what we used for this. Still a bit of work in progress, but any wall will do. Apply the back of it out, try and put some sort of frame to give you some sort of section on the area that you're wanting to work, big or small. Often companies will use maybe some logo and some signage within the moss wall. This is all a preserved material, preserved mosses. I installed some pockets in here to actually put some live plants in. Struggled a little bit to keep those watered all the time, but the idea was that these were pockets that we could actually take the plants out, water them and put them back in. With these now I'm using a lot of air plants. There's all sorts of varieties. This is actually a sort of moss that is gathered that you can get and you can install within the system to make it look good. To actually install it itself, there's going to be some links underneath the channel that you can find out where you can buy these materials. Here we're using three different types. We've got flat moss, we've got ball mosses, so these come in sizes from cricket balls to golf balls, and you install them randomly where you want them. And then we have lichen. This is a spongy material which works well within these environments. The technique really then was just to create a sort of wave or a style which worked well with the wall. And this probably came in. The method for actually installing it is literally just grip fill or a hot glue gun. Again, links to all the tools and materials that we used on this will be below in the video. So think it looks great. This probably came in at a round total of about around £200. So thanks very much for watching. I really hope you can subscribe to our channel. There's going to be lots more videos coming and it's going to be very exciting to start sharing all these tips with you. Thanks very much.